If you're just getting started on YouTube and you're struggling to create YouTube thumbnails, then I'm going to show you how to create some stunning, some amazing YouTube thumbnails for absolutely free, right? And this is going to help you to get better click-through rates on YouTube and of course, get you noticed. So you will need two applications or two systems, right? You will need ChatGPT, and you can easily sign up for ChatGPT account. As you can see in the lower left hand side here, I'm on the free account. And of course, you will also need this AI tool called Ideogram.ai. So you can head over to Ideogram.ai and you can quickly sign up by entering your email address, or if you have a Google account, you can easily go ahead and sign in with your Google account, and it is as easy as that. Once you head over to the website, what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly click on the left hand side and let me find sign out so you can see what that website look like. Once you head over to there, so you just want to type in ideogram.ai. Once you're over there, you're going to see something like this. Continue with your Google or Apple account. I'm going to say with Google account, and it's going to allow me to quickly sign in with my Gmail here, and I will have a free account that I can use right away. Now, what you want to do, I'm going to take this from scratch so that you can see how to basically do it. So once you have a ChatGPT account as well, I'm going to just say, for example, how to create amazing YouTube thumbnail for free, right? For example, something like this. And I'm going to go ahead and just kind of a little bit tweak this, and I'm going to just say, all right, so here's my prompt, guys. I've simply said, write me a prompt for this YouTube video title that I can use to create a catchy YouTube thumbnail on Ideogram AI. So I specify that I want to create a YouTube thumbnail that is catchy, and I want that to be specifically for Ideogram. And then I use a dash and put the YouTube video title. And this is something that I'm making up. And guess what? You will see as well that I will be using this thumbnail as well. So you will see that I will also use this thumbnail to publish this video, and you will see that it creates some stunning YouTube thumbnail. So once you do that, just simply go ahead and hit enter on ChatGPT, and it's going to create a prompt that I can easily use on Ideogram. So here is a prompt that it gave to me. So once I copy this prompt, guys, that it has given to me, I head over back to Ideogram, and of course you want to use the correct sizing as well. So you want to go ahead to where it says dimension, click here, and you want to switch this to 16 by 19. That's the best size for YouTube thumbnails. And from here, just go ahead and enter your prompt that it gives to you, and just simply click and generate. What this is going to do is going to quickly generate 4 designs for that video title, and you can use these video thumbnails for your videos. So what I'm going to do, you will see the result here, guys. To create the thumbnails are super fast, and you will see the design. Now have a look at that. 4 amazing YouTube thumbnails, right? So you can go ahead and you can look at each of these thumbnails here. As you can see, they look really, really cool. And once you like a thumbnail, you can easily download it. So I really like this one, for example. Looks really cool here. And if you want to download it, just simply click and download on the upper right here, and it's going to allow you to download these thumbnails. So have a look at them, find something, and guess what? You can quickly download them. So I really think these are really cool as well. So we can work with these, right? So free thumbnails, and yeah, super cool, guys. So that's how easy it is. And if you want to even tweak it a bit to say like with AI, you can easily go ahead and do that. But I really like this, and you can always go ahead and tweak it if you wanted to mix with AI. You can even go ahead and just take back this same prompt that you have, and you can say with AI, for example, with AI, right? And you can even go back and you can just say, make the thumbnail with some details of AI too. And just hit enter, and it's going to create you a brand new prompt. It's going to make it a little bit more nicer, and you can copy the prompt. You can go back to Ideogram, and you can even regenerate. So you can go to the section here where you have the prompt, remove that one, paste the new one, and click generate, and it's going to generate a whole new prompt. So you can always go ahead and just regenerate. Now it's going to create 4 new thumbnail designs for you. So this is how you can easily go ahead and create your prompts for your YouTube thumbnails that you can use in Ideogram. And on top of that, if you would like to basically get some amazing prompts, I have a collection of amazing prompts that you can get there within the description of this video. So if you want that prompt, check out it there, guys, and you can get those prompts as well. So have a look at these new designs. Look really cool, right? So AI thumbnail, free AI thumbnail unlock viral growth, and it's super cool, right? So you can go ahead and you can download these thumbnails that it has created for you. Amazing stuff. You can use these if you like as well. So guys, I think this is absolutely fascinating, and you can go ahead and you can get these and you can create your thumbnails using that, because Ideogram is super cool to create YouTube thumbnails, in my opinion. So with that said, guys, I really hope you found value within this video. Give this video a like, check out the link within the description of this video and also in the comments, and you can find that link to amazing prompts so that you can use to create some viral YouTube thumbnails going forward. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.